Good day and welcome to the Weather Centre as we take a closer look at the forecast for the last day of the work week. It's a hot and humid start to the day in KwaZulu-Natal. We're expecting very high temperatures in the northern parts ahead of this coastal low pressure system, but there's also a weak front on the doorstep of the Western Cape, bringing cloudy conditions at first and a low likelihood of light rain. Over the eastern parts, we're expecting cloud to build up once again this afternoon, with scattered thunder showers predicted for a large part of the country. The South African Weather Service issued a watch for severe thunderstorms through northwest, the Eastern Free State and the interior of KwaZulu-Natal and the Eastern Cape. This is our rain forecast for today, with a low risk of rain between Cape Town and Port Elizabeth. Isolated thunderstorms likely over the western parts of northwest, the Free State and Eastern Cape, but scattered thunder showers over Gauteng, Limpopo, Mpumalanga and KwaZulu-Natal. Now let's take a closer look at the maximum temperatures. The cold front in the west brings cooling to the western parts. 25 degrees in Sutherland today, 23 in Cape Town, 23 in Port Elizabeth as well, but it's warmer in the east. 37 today in Richards Bay, Durban much cooler due to the earlier onset of fresh southwesterly winds, 29 in Pretoria, 31 degrees in Mayking and Bloemfontein hot as well with a high of 32 degrees. Along the west coast, we're expecting strong winds later on, average speeds of 35 kilometers per hour with an open ocean swell of 2 meters. Along the southwest coast, we'll see a bit more swell behind the cold front, up to 3 meters with a southwesterly direction. Fresh southwesterlies become southerly this afternoon, and we can expect stronger winds in Table Bay later on. Along the south coast, fresh to strong southwesterlies reaching 45 kilometers per hour between Jeffreys Bay and Port Elizabeth. There's an open ocean swell of 2.5 meters, while high tide is expected shortly before 7 tonight. Along the east coast, winds start off northeasterly and fresh in KwaZulu-Natal before strong southwesterlies take over during the late afternoon. Average wind speeds of 45 kilometers per hour in East London with a southeasterly swell of 1.5 meters.